Hello dear students, welcome back. So far we completed two chapters, isn't it, about food and the components of food. First chapter was about the sources of food. Food, where does it come from? Second chapter, food, components of food. That was the chapters. Now we are moving from the food to another section. That is the dress we wear. Let us talk something about the dress we wear. So what is generally the dress we wear, or the plain sheets of this dress is called fabrics, isn't it? They are known as fabric or textiles. So textiles deals with this fabrics. Textiles is the place where fabrics are sold out. So in this chapter we will be discussing the formation of fabric. Do it available from the forest as like a sheet that we wear? No, isn't it? It's available in some different forms, and we convert them into the form of a shirt or the dress we wear. So in this chapter we will be discussing about the conversion process, how a fabric is formed from a fiber. Fiber means narugal. So we are forming the fabric from fibers. That section is discussed in this chapter. It's a very interesting chapter, very easy chapter too. So be happy. Okay, now let us discuss. See, we have two types of fabrics, natural fabrics and artificial. That is natural fibers and artificial fibers. I will give you some examples. Cotton. Do you know cotton? Panni. If you have some wound, we'll put some cotton over them, isn't it? Will it go to the category natural or artificial? Artificial means synthetic. Will it go to which category? It will be going into the category natural fibers, isn't it? Because from nature we can avail the cotton balls. So they are available in some cotton plants, and we will take that cotton balls and we will take the cotton seeds out of that, and we will be taking the cotton fibers only. And from that fibers we twist them to form a long thread. It's called yarn. So from the fibers we make yarns, and these yarns are used to make the fabric we wear. See, so first one is cotton. So you understand there is two types of fibers. They are natural fibers and synthetic fibers, or man-made fibers or artificial fibers. There is three names: synthetic, man-made or artificial. For natural fibers only one name, that is natural fibers only. So example for natural fibers I discussed, that is cotton. Another example for natural fiber is jute. Do you know what is jute? Sometimes you may see jute sacks, chaknool. Isn't it? Chaknool. Have you seen? Sometimes nowadays it is not used so much. Otherwise, when we go into the vegetable shop somewhere, we will get the things packed by, or which is tied by using this sack threads, jute threads. So that is jute, that is availed from a plant. We will be discussing these things later also. Okay. Now I will give another example: polyester. Most of the girls wear this type of dress, polyester. What is polyester? Is it availed from the nature? No, it's a man-made fiber. Which will be more comfortable for us, wearing a polyester or cotton? Cotton is more comfortable for us, isn't it? It gives us some freeness. It allows the passage of air inside the shirt, and we will get some coolness when we wear cotton clothes. But if we wear polyester clothes, it will be very sweating. We will be very much sweating, and we will be feeling hot. That's the difference between natural fibers and artificial fibers. Another example for artificial fiber is nylon. Then rayon. Rayon is somewhat like silk. Nylon is very hard fiber that are used by the rock climbers. You know, rock climbers. They made their rope with this artificial fiber called nylon. It is very strong, and you know, if you are brushing every day, the bristles of the brushes, that is made by nylon. And you know the parachute, the ropes of a parachute, that too made by nylon. That much strong it is. Even it is told that the single thread of nylon is more stronger than a thread of steel. If we make the two threads, one with steel and one with nylon, having the same thickness, the one with nylon will be more stronger than one with steel. So such strong fiber is nylon. It is an artificial fiber. So let me tell that in the case of fibers, we have two types of fibers. They are natural fibers and the other one is artificial or man-made or synthetic fibers. Examples of natural fibers are cotton, jute, silk, etc., wool, etc. And in the case of man-made fibers, the examples are polyester, nylon, rayon, acrylic, etc. These are the synthetic fibers. Hope it is clear for you. In the coming classes, we will be discussing more about the chapter. We will be getting into the chapter. This is only an introduction for the chapter. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.